Hey, was yeah. Hey, yeah, I got it. Hey, what's up, guys? This is Pro Wolf Trader, and this is New York's session right now. We are streaming in New York session for high impact NFP data. Yesterday, let's do a quick recap of what happened yesterday. Yesterday, unemployment rate came in, and I said in the London session that the data for unemployment is going to be lower and it's going to go down. So most probably look for a sell entry around 27.82 and 85. And as you know, I was busy with some stuff, I couldn't stream, but the signal was given on YouTube, and everybody who took the sell or was in a sell since the day before it, he made huge profits. Our trade is still running, but gradually I told them to close the trade because you don't want to risk your profits for NFP. There were some people in the group one, they were asking for a buy trade. I gave them a buy trade, but I clearly mentioned that we are right now on the ABC correction. Where is the ABC correction? Hold on a second, let the chart load. We are on a path on the ABC correction, and RA completed. Now we are looking at B. B is gonna head up to a 75% retracement. Most likely the NFP, it depends on the NFP number. And today after NFP we have one more data, high impact, so you have to stay tuned. Right now we are looking at what's happening in the market. Right now everybody is expecting for Iran to retaliate, and there's high hopes, but for now let's turn on our time frame to see what happened in the Asian session, what happened in the New York session, sorry, London session, and what's gonna happen in New York session. As for now, we have a this is where Tokyo started. Okay, this is Tokyo low, this is Tokyo high, this is London low. Okay, around 27.44. This is London high. Right now, the New York opened. Okay, so we are just 10 minutes away from the high impact news. Here is everything. Everything is lined up in front of you. I'm doing this, slowly. Some days, since NFP happens once a day, so I'll only do this for NFP. Everything is lined in front of you, so when the data comes out, you quickly make the decision. Okay, done. You don't have to wait for me to say to buy or sell, you just know. But sometimes, let's just say if the NFP number is higher, okay, and the unemployment number is lower, it drops quickly. Sometimes it pumps and dumps. Sometimes it does the opposite. So you have to be, really precise. The data can come in mixed. Maybe then, the NFP number is lower, and unemployment rate doesn't even change at all. So there are lots of possibilities. So when there are lots of possibilities, you know you have to stick with your choice. There was a Bilal. No, signal is not given already. The signal was given yesterday. There's no signal given right now. We are waiting for the data. We are waiting for the data, then we're gonna decide. We are not gonna gamble. We are not degenerate gamblers. But there is a perception, given that the data is expected to be lower. If you go and see the unemployment data is, the NFP number is expected to be lower. But the main, the what do you say? The thing that's gonna decide is unemployment rate. If the unemployment rate comes in higher, it's gonna cause a really, panic in the market. Higher unemployment rate will send gold up, even if there's higher NFP number. But NFP, I'm not worried about the unemployment. Oh, sorry, NFP. I'm worried about the employment rate because I already know what's gonna happen. Oh, you also wait for the free. What do you mean, Bloom? I will not wait for anything. I have lots of stuff to do. I give the signal. It's your job to take the signal and to carry it, to take the profit or not to take the profit. It's not my decision. It's your. You're mature enough to make your own financial decision. I'm just providing you with the entries. If you don't know what to do, later it's your problem, not mine. You're mature enough to, make those decisions, aren't you? Anyways, let's first focus on the trade rather than on chit chatting. I don't need to prove anything to anybody. If you want to show to your friends, you can go. All my live streams are there for a reason. Even if a lot of people are asking me what's my take on this. Let me tell you, I'm expecting a pump. I really wanna buy, but I know the market is sketchy as fuck. And the NF, even if the NFP number is lower, let's just say the NFP number come because it is gonna come in lower because the market is forecasting, a lower NFP number. And let's just suppose that the unemployment rate is exact same, it doesn't change, and there is lower NFP. So first we're gonna see a reaction of the constant unemployment rate is gonna be a dump. Then the lower NFP, that mixed data is gonna kick in. The lower NFP data is gonna push the gold up, but and this is what's gonna complete our, what do you call, ABC is gonna show our B correction wave because Elliott wave doesn't lie. That dude, he died a decade ago. Everything is, he talked about in his book is logically, and even if you look at that hourly, this was the area, this was the previous golden zone I marked when it made a high, and the price just came down back up, is going to push up high and is going to hit 27,868 and is going to then, because it is creating this where is that. By the way, 5 minutes will left for the data. Yes, okay. So this is the ABC correction wave I'm saying. It's gonna create like this. So this B wave B projection is gonna hit the over here till here. This is my take. But for a better NT, I'm waiting for the data. It's gonna dump and pump. I'm not gonna gamble. I'm gonna wait for the data. As soon as the data release, then I'm gonna take because that's the smartest thing to do. You don't wanna gamble with your money because the market likes to manipulate. If the market is able to manipulate you and you get caught up, it's your fault. Even if the data is on point, the data is bullish, but it dumps first and then pumps, then you are the fool, right? So this is why they say always trade after the news. Majority of the OG traders, they don't even trade on the high impact news, only the retailers do. And the smart ones, they know. If you wanna be more, say, those people who are not risk averted, they wanna take their risk low. You can open buy limit orders over here, guys. In the premium 1 and 2, you are listening. Please put buy limit orders around 27, 30, 35, so you guys can catch up. Let me send a message. I know people would say, why you putting a buy limit order? You could have sell it. No, why? Because we don't know. It shoots like a gun. It's gonna dump and pump. This is what it is. This gonna be really fast. It won't even gonna give you a time. Group 1 and 2, your message has been sent. Anybody who is watching the stream right now, if you wanna be smart, just around this zone, put buy limit order. Now you're asking me, oh, if it's gonna drop, why not sell? Because you will be a fool. What if it pumps and dumps and then dumps and pumps? That it depends on the data. If you ask my personal view, I think the unemployment there is going to be lower NFP, and the unemployment rate is going to remain exact same, and it's going to dump, then it's going to pump. So this is where my buy limit order is sitting, because I want to catch the trade. I have my buy limit orders in this zone. I put more than 124.40 Taylor 35. These are my buy. So my orders are over here. Actually, you know what? This entire area is also a nice buy zone area. 41 till 31. So let me quickly put buy limit orders over in this entire zone, because it's gonna dump and pump. You have to be smart. Guys, like and subscribe. Look, the data is here and it's pumping. The data is pumping, is dumping now. See, I told you, be careful. It's dumping and pumping. So the data is here, the unemployment is fucking lower. 12K, I mean seriously. And as I said, it's gonna be lower. NFP number is lower, and it's like rate, as I said, is gonna be the exact same. So it's a buy. But hold on a second, just don't buy. If you buy right now, the market is gonna slap the shit out of you. It's gonna dump and then pump it for it. If it doesn't do that, it's okay. But holy shit, look at that data. The number, holy shit. What the fuck is this data? 12K, 12K, the fuck, 12 fucking K. Guys, are you listening this? Hello? 12K, 12K. What the fuck? 12K. I never saw such fucking lower data in my entire fucking life. Fucking 12K. 12 fucking K. Oh my god, what the fuck is this? That is worse. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is the worst data. Now people asking, what should I do? What should I do? Don't FOMO. Don't fucking FOMO. Sit down, relax. See this shit? It's not even fucking breaking past this zone. This is dangerous. Look at the data. The data is fucking 12K. Bro, 12K. I never seen 12K data in my life. Now we have the second high impact data is ISM Manufacturing PMI. This is scary, man. This is scary. If you don't know what to do, you're cooked, man. I'm gonna buy, but I'm waiting. I'm waiting for that drop that takes your tears out. As I said, the data is gonna be lower. The unemployment rate is gonna be, remain the exact same. So this is what we got. Now, if you guys are looking for entries, I'm saying again, wait for it. You know what, a retailer makes a mistake. Retailer enters a buy, it drops down, and hit your stop loss and pops up. Let the market digest. The data is fucking 12K. I mean, the fuck. And unemployment rate is, talk about high, it's the exact is the same. So it's mixed data. You have mixed data. The market is not even pumping. It's digesting the. Now people who trade on news retail, they say, oh, this pump is not this pump. What the fuck is happening? You have to patience, brother, patience. The worst data, the worst. Now people are like, where is the signal? Where is the signal? Wait for it. The market is now manipulating you. You have to, survive the manipulation phase. If you open, you die. Guys, like and subscribe the channel. 7 people are watching and only 2 likes, Habibi. You don't show me love. We have this data. Okay, let's post the data over here. Oh, look, it's pumping, it's pumping. Hold on a second, boy. Hold a second, cowboy. Hold on a second. Here it is. I don't want you guys, get caught up in the manipulation phase. So, let the market digest the news. Beep, 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 beep. My buy orders didn't get triggered. Now it's going up. I have to wait another 5 minute candle because this zone likes to manipulate. I know you guys are FOMO like it's going up, is it going up, bro? Trust me. You really don't want to lose money. It's NFP, baby. Look at the data. It's fucking 12K. I've never seen this data. I already said I wanna buy, but I will wait. The pump, pump, pump. But it's not pumping as it should be. So that's what's worrying me. If you look at this thing, the elite wave, this thing needs to go up. It's gonna go up, but it's not going up. Wait for it. Hello? Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's coming down, yeah. Yeah. So whoever is watching right now on YouTube and all the guys in the premium group and one, I told you this was the manipulation I was talking about. So although the data is lower, okay, it's fucking lower, the lowest shit data I ever seen. You can see the market dropping down. So this is your NT area. Your NT area should be around 2753. Buy it from here, or even right now, this area is a nice buy entry area. So this is what I say, always wait for the market. Yeah, hello. Can you guys hear me on Discord? Hello? Hello. Okay. So as you guys can clearly see, the market is right now creating a, what you say, a retracement, or a pullback, or whatever you call it. So this was the manipulation I was talking about that you guys need to be really careful of. And right now, this is the area you need to enter. See the way it's dropping down. Won't even give you a second. You're like, what the hell is happening? Why is dropping down? The data is up higher. Your stop losses are getting triggered. Let the market digest. Always let the market digest. My buy entry hasn't even triggered yet. It is 2753. As soon as it will hit 2753, my buy limit order will get triggered. Again, I'm saying if you're like somebody who like don't like to take risk, this is the time for you to wait more. All the people who had buys right now, buy trades running, they're probably hitting their stop losses. Why? Because the market caught you. The market played with you, right? Manipulated you. So you have to wait for the drop. There is no market, it's the institutions actually. We all the time say market. Who are the guys? The institutions. They know how you think. They're gonna get for you. Look at the data. It's lower. It's fucking lower. 12K. I never saw 12K in my entire life. 7 years of trading. And employment rate is 4.1%. This is a lower NFP number and a higher unemployment rate. Why higher? Because it's 4.1, right? It hasn't decreased. It's still high. Why is not going up? Why is coming down? This is for you to understand this movement. This is the B wave, right? It's not gonna it's gonna pump up. It's gonna go in a snake way. It's gonna go in a like a snake crawls. My buy limit just got triggered. So buy limit got triggered over here. Just waiting for the news to do its thing now. Just gonna wait now for the market to start. So anyways, if you are watching the stream for the first time, you don't know what's happening, this is Pro Bull Trader. I stream every day during London and New York session. If I'm busy or something, I don't stream. But as of now, right now, I'm streaming in New York session. I'm gonna end the stream after 15 minutes, but because I have to do some work, but I will stream again after an hour. But as for now, you can clearly see the directional is upwards. It's the ABC correction. This is the B correction wave. The data came in. The data came in lower NFP and higher unemployment. High and aware is still 4.1. It hasn't changed. So don't expect gold to drop down any further. If you have any sell trades open right now, just wait for it. I'm in a buy right now. I have my buy limit orders over here too, but I manually opened a buy trade over here, and before I opened a manual trade, my buy limit order also got triggered. So I have layers of trades over here running. I'm waiting for the market to open a fresh 1 hour candle, so the price can start its upward momentum. But as I was speaking right now, market is just hunting the stop losses of whoever was in a buy on a news trade, because the market likes to grab all the stop losses before pumping up. If you have any questions, you can ask me. As of now, this is Pro Bull Trade and New York session. The stream might end any time in the next 10 minutes. So if you have any question, ask me before I leave. I'll be back after an hour. I have to go do some important work. My entries are over here. I'm a busy person, man. Got lots of stuff to do. New month, November, 2 months left for 2024 to end. By the way, the third batch of Pro Golf Trader beginner session has started, so this is why I'm busy, more busy. I have to teach 14 individuals now. If you are unable to join the first 3 batches, this is your chance to join the fourth batch in December. I just finished off 3 batches. That's more than, what do you say, 40 individuals, 40-50 individuals. And that's just a beginner course. Advanced is gonna come this month. I'm gonna announce the advanced course. Everybody is making money. The guys watching the YouTube channel, the guys who are in the premium group, the guys in the premium group are making lots of money, lots of money. Anyways, here you see it's pumping up now. Pumping now, you can more of a say it's like progressing. The data is, the market is starting to digest the data. look at it pump now. Look at it go up. Mesh, you have gold trades running? Hello? Mesh? Okay, good, good. What's your lot size? You guys in the group one? No, Mesh, I'm asking you too, and the guys in the group one, message me on Telegram. Mesh has, you have buy running? Okay, 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 okay. Good. Mesh has buy running too, okay. By the way, crypto, a lot of people were asking me, messaging me on Telegram that what's happening in the crypto. Well, I'll be trading crypto tomorrow. It's weekend, so keep you updated. As for now, stay tuned. So yeah, if you're watching the stream right now and wondering what's happening right now, don't be confused. I was doing some work that I was required right now. The market is right now making its move. Mostly people cannot understand this movement because the market moves in this way. It goes like this. This is how it's gonna move up, and you are gonna keep on wondering what the hell is happening. If you don't have any, buy trades running, you can buy right now. You know, it's okay. It's okay. I update this signal to. So you can picture in picture. This is the signal that we are in currently. It's pumping now. So if you don't have any trades running, you can enter a buy. It is this zone. My trade is running. I give the signal in Telegram free group, and in premium group 1 and 2, gold trades are given, silver trades are given, oil trades are still running, gas trades are to be expected to be, gas trades have to wait. Buy that right now. Gold, silver, and oil trades are running since last week. They are running in profits now. Silver trade has been given. Gold has been given, and a bunch of other Forex and a bunch of other S&P. Yeah, S&P 500 too. Somebody was asking me. I'm gonna give it right now. Okay, guys, I have to go now. I have to, do an introduction. What do you say? Orientation, or is the orientation class for the third batch of Pro Wolf Trader. Fourth batch is starting from 1st December. So yeah, everybody is making money. Stop wasting your time. Join the premium group for 2 to 5 signals, baby. Make money. In short, fucking make money, man. Make money. Broke money got no time to make money. In short, my buy trades are running. I have to prove nothing to prove to anybody. My lives are my proof.